Let's stir up this Shaljam Bhujiya, which is a turnip curry that is so easy to make and delicious. What you need for this are 4 to 6 cube turnips, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 diced onions, half cup of coriander, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. So let's get started. First, bring a pot of water to boil and then slowly add your turnips in there. Just be really careful it doesn't splatter on you as it's hot. You're going to stir this for 5 minutes until the turnips are boiled, and you can check it with a fork just like this. At this point, you're going to strain your turnips out and keep them aside in a bowl. In another pot, you're going to add some oil, about a 1/4 cup. I'm using canola here. You can use any oil of choice. Once it's hot, you're going to add your cumin seeds in here and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you're going to add your onions in here, and you're going to fry the onions with the cumin seeds for another 4 to 5 minutes or so until they turn translucent just like this. Keep your flame on medium heat the whole time, and then you're going to add your tomatoes in here. Now the tomatoes and the onions basically form the base of this curry, so just stir this really nicely until the tomatoes come together with the onions just like this, and then you're going to add all your spices in here. Once the spices are added, you want to give this a nice stir for about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir fry this, and then you're going to cover your pot with this lid and let it cook and simmer for about 5 minutes. So lower your heat. After 5 minutes, it should look like this. You're going to just check the consistency, make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom, and you're going to now add your turnips that are pre-boiled. Now this is so easy to make and so quick, and you can already smell how amazing this is. The turnips cook really nicely into the tomatoes and onions, and what I'm going to do, this is a preference, I'm actually going to mash them so they're just like a nice texture to eat with curry or over rice. So you can see here, just going to continue to mash this as it's still cooking on the stovetop, and after about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to keep stirring this. I want to make sure nothing gets stuck to the bottom or burns in the pot, and once the consistency is just like this, we can give it one more simmer. So take your pot lid, cover it, and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes or so. At this point, your curry is ready to serve. It smells so phenomenal. I'm so excited to eat this. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my coriander, and instead of just garnishing with it, I'm actually gonna add it right into the curry because the colors are so beautiful with the vibrant green, the yellows, the red. So when you serve it, it's really nice presentation. So just give this a quick stir. You can eat this just like this, or you can eat this with rice, or you can eat this with bread. I'm gonna have it with that roti, which is the Indian bread. So try it out. This is cooked under 15 minutes. This is your ingredient list once again to screenshot. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try this out and let me know what you think. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share the recipes and let me know what else you want to see. Until next time, keep stirring it up.